Hello everyone, I am Jessina Paris and I welcome you all to this week's most important topic. This was the most asked video and here we have for you the Olympics and the Paralympics. तो आइए शुरू करते हैं आज का टॉपिक. बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट्स. तो ये पूरा जो पीपीटी बनाया है बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट आपको वन लाइनर्स मिलेंगे. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम योर स्पोर्ट्स रिलेटेड सेक्शन. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द फर्स्ट थिंग. ये जो ओलंपिक्स था या पैरालंपिक्स दोनों था, कहाँ पे हुआ था? दिस वॉज इन पेरिस. ओके, सो ओलंपिक्स टुक प्लेस जुलाई 26 टू अगस्त 11th and August 28 से लेके 8 September तक you had the Paralympics, right? So everything this happened in Paris. So here something very important to remember. 2024 पेरिस में हुआ. अगले साल 2020 अगले ओलंपिक्स 28 में होगा. 4 साल के बाद कहाँ पे होगा? This will be in Los Angeles, USA. And 2032 4 साल के बाद you will have it in Brisbane, which is in Australia. ठीक है? So Paris इस साल, Los Angeles and then Brisbane. अगर पहले पूछा होता है then it is 2020 में हुआ था, right? 4 साल पहले, which was in Tokyo. Okay? Now let's understand some important aspects about the Olympics. पहला ओलंपिक्स पूछा that happened in Athens, which is in Greece, in the year 1896 में, and हर 4 साल में होता है ये ओलंपिक्स. ऑन द अदर हैंड पैरालंपिक्स हम देखेंगे ये हर 2 साल में होता है. ओके, सो हियर दिस हैपेंस एवरी 4 years. और इस वाला एडिशन जो था, एडिशन था 33rd एडिशन. इट वाज द 33rd एडिशन. So what is the motto of Olympics? Olympics का motto है Citius, Altius, Fortius. Now what is this 3 words? ये Latin words है जिसका मतलब है faster, higher, stronger. Okay, so this is the motto of Olympics. Let's understand जो rings होते हैं, right? Olympic के कितने rings होते हैं? ये 5 rings होते हैं. So remember which colors these rings belong to. They are blue, black, red, yellow, green. So these are the 5. Now what does the rings suggest? ये rings क्या बताते हैं? Rings tell you about the 5 continents. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे you will see the various continents. जैसे कि अगर हम यूरोप blue, then you have Africa, you have Americas, you have Asia and you have Australia. तो ये 5 continents बताते हैं ये 5 rings. Alright, so you can just remember these. What are the colors we just discussed and who has designed this? The rings have been designed by Pierre de Coubertin. So ये नाम आपको याद रखना है. किसने डिजाइन किया है? The founder of the Olympic movement, जिसका नाम है Pierre de Coubertin. Okay, this was designed in the year 1913. Let's understand about this साल का जो Olympics है. So Paris में हुआ था 2024 Paris Olympics. How many sports were there? There were 32 different sports that के events थे, 32 such sports and 329 such events, because we know कि 100 meter, 50 meter ये अलग अलग segments भी होते हैं. So that way 329 such events had been taken place. Now this साल 4 नए स्पोर्ट्स को ऐड किया गया था. They can ask you which are the 4 new sports. So remember, break dancing, इसको breaking भी कहते हैं, surfing, skateboarding and sport climbing. Which are the 4 new sports? Break dancing, या इसको breaking भी कहते हैं, surfing, skateboarding and sport climbing. What is the slogan of both Paralympics and Olympics this year का? The slogan is Games Wide Open, which talks about inclusivity of the sports. Inclusivity. तो Games Wide Open, सबके लिए ये open है. And the next one is the mascot. इस साल का mascot है Frige. Okay, so it's a frige. Now what is a frige? It's a French word. Now what is the meaning of this? These are like the hats. Okay, the French style hats है इसको, and they are a symbol of liberalism. They are a symbol of freedom. Okay, so they are closely associated to the French Revolution, and ये frige is the mascot. So they can remember, they can ask you the mascot. And ये जो frige है, ये also frige is basically also having the colors of the French or the France flag, which is blue, white, and red. Blue, white, and red. तो ये आपका मैस्कॉट भी हमने देखा है. Now we will also see how has India participated in this particular aspect. But before we see India's participation, let us also understand about the Paris logo. तो लोगो जो इन्वॉल्व है ये बिल्कुल ऐसा दिखता है. Okay, this is the Paris logo, and basically what are the aspects in the Paris logo? You have the gold medal. You can see a gold medal here, which is symbolizing achievement. A flame, right? We know this is the energy, the flame, the energy which is the torch that we talk about. So ये एक flame की तरह आपको दिख रहा है, and Marianne, which is symbolizing the France city. Okay, the France country. So this is the Paris logo and the three such elements of the Paris logo. Now, total overall देखिए, which is the country that scored maximum medals. So जो top country है, ये आपको याद रखना है, which is United States of America, got 126 medals in total. Then comes China, the second position, 91 medals, and then third आता है Japan with 45 medals. Okay, we will also see India's participation, but remember the top three: US, China, and then Japan. Let's also see India's performance now. तो इंडिया के कितने एथलीट्स ने परफॉर्म किया था, पार्टिसिपेट किया था? 117 एथलीट्स हैड पार्टिसिपेटेड, एंड हाउ मेनी वन? We have about 6 medals that we won. Okay, इसमें से 1 silver and 5 are bronze. 1 silver, 5 bronze, total 6. So इंडिया ने कितने इवेंट्स में पार्टिसिपेट किया था? 69. So out of 329, we participated in 69 only. Okay, and 16 sports. Total sports कितने थे? 32, right? So remember, 32 में हमने सिर्फ 16 में पार्टिसिपेट किया था, और हमारा रैंक अगर पूछते हैं, so remember it is 71st. Okay, so we are 71st. In the previous edition जो टोक्यो में हुआ था 2020 में, what was our place? 48. तो हम थोड़ा नहीं, बहुत नीचे आए हैं, 71st medal position में. Okay, so this is India's participation. Now also remember some important athletes, because questions कैसे आ सकते हैं? ये athlete कौन सा स्पोर्ट खेलता है? So ऐसे questions आ सकते हैं. So we will just have a quick view with regard to the sport, and we'll also see the medal that they have won. तो मनु बाकर, okay, so she played in the air pistol event and she has won bronze. She's won 2 medals this time, so that is why again achievable. 2 बार यहाँ पे इनका नाम है, and again this was a team event. Both remember pistol event. Next is Swapnil Kusale, which is bronze again in rifle. Then we have the hockey team. Hockey team has won bronze. Okay, so men's hockey team. We have Neeraj Chopra, who is in javelin. इनको मिले हैं that only silver, एक ही silver मिला था, तो silver यहाँ पे है नीरज चोपड़ा. And finally Aman Sehrawat, who has been winning the bronze in the wrestling. Okay, so these are some important persons and the sports that they are associated with. अगर हम कुछ important चीजें देखें, remember Manu Bakar is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic shooting medal. So before that Indian में कोई जीता नहीं है, and in fact she has bagged 2 medals even for the team event, right? So therefore Manu Bakar का नाम हमको याद रखना है. अमन सेहरावत कौन सा स्पोर्ट के लिए? रेसलिंग. सो ही हैज won, he's become the youngest Olympic medalist of India. He's just 21 years old. Okay, तो अमन सेहरावत. And then you also have wrestler Vinesh Phogat. Now this is important to remember because वो disqualify हो चुकी थी. Why? Remember, because she was overweight for 100 grams, right? Do we know this? So that's why she could not participate, even though coming towards the finals. So यहाँ पे भी हमको एक मेडल मिल सकता था, but disqualify होने के कारण. So they can ask you which is that wrestler who got disqualified. You need to remember the name, right? India's performance in the past. Again, some favorite question, okay, where we can also see पहले हमने कैसे perform किया है, कोई first अगर है ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. So firstly, the first Indian to ever win an Olympic award, okay, in an individual category, तो bronze मिला है first time 1952 में Helsinki, okay, Helsinki, which is in Finland, right? So here we have KD Jadhav, that is Kashyapa Dada Sahib Jadhav. तो यहाँ पे इनको एक ओलंपिक मेडल मिला, कौन से स्पोर्ट के लिए? रेसलिंग के लिए. Then we have the women, right? So first women Olympic award winner is for a weightlifting, that is Karnam Malleswari. इनको सिडनी के 2000 में जो हुआ था ओलंपिक्स, उनको मिला है फर्स्ट इंडियन वुमेन शी इज, ओके. एंड देन वी ऑल्सो सी द फर्स्ट Olympic gold medal. If they ask about a gold medal, it was mainly by the hockey team in 1928 in Amsterdam. Okay, 1928 Amsterdam. And finally, if they ask individual को जिसको gold मिला है, that is Abhinav Bindra. So Abhinav Bindra is basically 2008 के बीजिंग अवार्ड्स में, सो शूटर अगेन राइफल, राइट, शूटिंग के लिए वो जाने जाते हैं. अभिनव भारत, रिमेंबर, फर्स्ट Olympic winner to get a gold medal in India. So this is some important aspects that you have to remember. And finally, again, flag bearers जो lead करते हैं हमारे दूसरे say participants को. So you can see a picture there. This is exactly how it looks like. So who are the flag bearers who are holding the flag of India? So here we have the opening ceremony के लिए we had PV Sindhu. Okay, Pusarla Venkata Sindhu, and we have AS Kamal, which is Sharad Kamal, which we call it as. So again, they are opening ceremony के लिए. Closing ceremony के लिए PR Shrijesh and Manu Bakar. ठीक है, तो ये आपको names याद रखने हैं कौन flag bearers थे leading Indian in the parade, right, on the river CN. Let's understand now the International Olympic Committee. ये जो committee है responsible for conducting, organizing the Olympics, right? So International Olympic Committee कब बनी थी? 1894 में. Now the first Olympic Games were held in 1896. So remember, we saw it was in Athens, Greece में ये हुआ था. And it is responsible for organizing the games, mainly the summer and the winter Olympic Games. And इनका headquarters कहाँ पे है? Lausanne in Switzerland. So remember this important aspects. Similarly, we also have the Olympic Order. Now the Olympic Order is given by the International Olympic Committee. वो इनको देती है जिन्होंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है in the Olympic movement. So Olympic movement is basically working on the principles of Olympism. Olympism is when you collaborate sports with education, with with international cooperation. Okay, so sports का इस्तेमाल करके for a better world, relying on sports for a better world. So that is Olympic movement, Olympism. So this is the philosophy of our International Olympic Committee. तो इन्होंने दिया है contribution. They give awards to basically those who have done very well in this particular sector. तो in 1975 में ये establish हुआ था, and earlier it was called as Olympic Diploma of Merit. Now it is called as Olympic Order. It's called Olympic Order. So you have 3 such grades: gold, silver, bronze. And India से किसको मिला है? So you can see the picture here. It was covering. It is Abhinav Bindra. Okay, so shooting, remember the first gold medalist of India. So Abhinav Bindra, इनको मिला है, that is in the Olympic award mainly by the International Olympic Committee. So very important facts पूछ सकते हैं, direct question है ये. Let's see, इंडिया में ओलंपिक्स के लिए कौन गवर्न करता है? Who was the one that manages in terms of India? So here we have the Indian Olympic Association or the IOA, right? Now this is mainly the governing body for the Olympic movement and various Commonwealth Games भी हम participate करते हैं. तो इसके लिए ये organization important है, ये govern करती है, ये हमारे representation को देखती है, oversee करती है. जो हमारे athletes जाते हैं ये international games में participate करने के लिए, जैसे कि you have the Olympic Games, you have the Commonwealth Games, you have the Asian Games and the like. Okay. Apart from that, it is recognized by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, and it has been established in the year 1927. Okay, 1927. Who has established this? Dorabji Tata and A.G. Nurin. Okay, so remember these were the presidents and the Secretary General respectively in the year 1927. Now this is a non-profit organization. It is registered under the Society Registration Act of 1860 and इसमें 32 members होते हैं, which is headed by the president. and therefore the elections also happen every 4 years because mainly focus यहाँ पे इनके Olympics में है. So every 4 years में there is a overhaul. This is with regard to the Indian Olympic Association, and now let's move to Paralympics. All right. So Paralympics में हम देखते हैं first time Paralympics कब हुआ था? It was in the year 1960. What is Paralympics? Paralympics is again a largest sports event with people with disabilities. Okay, तो इसको para athletes भी कहते हैं जहाँ पे disabilities है, लेकिन ये जो है ये हर 2 साल में होता है. It happens every 2 years. And that's also called as Winter Olympics. ठीक है? And it was decided in 2001 कि जहाँ पे Olympics होगा उसी जगह पे Paralympics भी you can say will be present. Okay, the same venue will be used for both Olympics and Paralympics. That was decided in 2001. One bid one city करके एक agreement था. उसके अंदर every 2 years में तो Paralympics होता है, Olympics होता है every 4 years, but wherever. So जैसे अभी अगला 2028 लॉस एंजलिस में है, तो Paralympics 28 भी लॉस एंजलिस में होगा. ठीक है, अभी हमको पता है 24 तो पेरिस में हुआ, राइट? तो 2026 बिकॉज ये 2 साल में होता है तो 26 में होगा. 26 कहां पे होगा? दिस विल बी मेनली मिलानो कॉर्टिना विच इज इन इटली. ठीक है, तो ये आपको याद रखना है. 28 तो हमने देखा लॉस एंजलिस, राइट? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड नाउ. So who is supervising this? This is the International Paralympic Committee. So we had the one such organization which also works with the International Olympic Committee. इसके साथ ही you have the Paralympic Committee. So they are mainly supervising this event. इसमें कितने sports होते हैं? 22 sports. Okay, there are 22 sports, and here we see कब हुआ था ये? 28th August to 8th September. This was in Paris. Let's see who is the top performer here. Okay, and everything with regard to हमने जो slogan देखा था, जो mascot देखा था, it's all the same. So I have not repeated once again. Okay, so you remember what's the slogan? Games wide open. Do you remember what is the mascot? The Frige, right? The Frige, the French hat. Perfect. So now let's understand the overall performance. What's the performance? China has finished first, 94 gold medals. Great Britain has second पे 49 gold medals. Okay, so उसका उल्टा करना 94, 49. And USA का है 36 golds. Okay, so this is mainly where they stand. So top performer is China, then Britain, and then you have the US. We will also see India's participation now. So India के 84 athletes, para athletes ने perform किया था 12 such sports में. 22 से हमने 22 में नहीं किया था, बस 12 में किया था. इनफैक्ट टोक्यो का जो गेम्स था 20 में, we had participated only in 9. So again this is 4 more में we had celebrated, which are they? So it was basically in paracycling, para rowing, and even in not 4, in 3, right? 9 पहले किया था और उसके अभी हम 12 कर रहे हैं, तो 3 हमने ऐड किया था. Which are they? Paracycling, para rowing, and blind judo. Paracycling, para rowing, and blind judo. So this is easy to remember. Now next is कितना हमने secure किया था? We had secured 29 medals. Okay, in that 7 gold, 9 silver, and 13 bronze. So बहुत सारे medals है. Now are we going to remember everyone? We're going to remember the important ones. Especially अगर ये पहली बार इंडिया में मिला है कोई इवेंट के लिए, तो वो सब हम अभी करेंगे, right? Apart from that, India का position क्या है? 18th. Okay, so remember 71 in Olympics and 18th in Paralympics, right? We'll also see now the whole table. So यहाँ पे एक बहुत ही important सा table है. You can remember the important aspects and if there is any achievement that they've won. So first thing is Avani Lekhara. This is for shooting, okay, rifle standing, and she's won a gold medal. Why is it important? Because she's the first Indian woman to win 2 gold medals. Okay, so 2 gold medals defending her title. तो पहले भी उनको gold मिला है पिछले time, अभी भी gold medal मिला है. So 2 gold medals. So she has kept her title intact. Next is Dharamveer, which is for club throw, and उनको भी gold medal, and एशिया में उन्होंने number 1 record किया है. Similarly, Praveen Kumar, okay, so Praveen Kumar जो है इट इज बेसिकली फॉर हाई जंप, अगेन गोल्ड रिकॉर्ड, और एशिया में इनका रिकॉर्ड हाई है. सुमित अंतिल, ओके, दिस इज फॉर javelin and he's won for gold medal. Okay, he's won for gold medal. Again, he has got a Paralympic record. तो अभी तक रिकॉर्ड इनका ब्रेक नहीं हुआ है, and he has broken his own record 3 times. So excelling in this particular sport, that is Sumit Antil. Okay, remember this. Then you have Mariyappan Thangavelu, इनका high jump, okay, bronze medal, and the first Indian to win medals at 3 consecutive Paralympics. So 3 consecutive Paralympics, we have Mariyappan Thangavelu, who has won 3 times. Then it is Preeti Pal, who is for women's 100-meter race. Bronze medal मिला है, first medal in a track event. Okay. Further, Deepti Jeevanji, again this is for 400 meters, and the first intellectually impaired Indian to win a Paralympic award. So remember, सब कुछ फर्स्ट जो है एग्जाम के लिए पूछा जा सकता है, सो यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान में रखना है. नेक्स्ट है शीतल देवी एंड राकेश कुमार. नाउ दिस इज बेसिकली आर्चरी के लिए, ओके, आर्चरी के लिए, एंड हियर यू हैव द वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड स्कोर इन कंपाउंड मिक्स्ड टीम. ओके, सो वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड यहाँ पे तोड़ा है, यहाँ पे ब्रॉन्ज मेडल इनको मिला है. एंड फाइनली हरविंदर सिंह, अगेन आर्चरी, बट दिस इज एन इंडिविजुअल इवेंट के लिए उनको गोल्ड मिला है, एंड इज द फर्स्ट एवर पैरालंपिक आर्चरी चैंपियन. ओके, तो आर्चरी में पहले हमको नहीं मिला है, इंडियन को नहीं मिला, एंड उनको मिला है. And finally, let's also see with regard to the opening and the closing ceremony, किसने flag bear किया है. So in the opening ceremony, we have Sumit Antil and Bhagyashree Jadhav, and in the closing ceremony, we have the archer Harvinder Singh and the runner who is Preeti Pal. So here you can see Harvinder and Preeti Pal. All right, and before I end the session, we have the questions of the week. So please answer this in the chat box, because ये बहुत ही important है आपके लिए, understanding के लिए, and questions यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं. Further, if you have any comments, any feedback to share, if you have any doubts, if you want any more topics that you want us to cover, use the chat box to answer. I have kept a close eye on the chat box, and अगले session में जो भी हम comments receive करेंगे, we will also show them in the class, and I'm going to answer each of these discussions. So here, let's see the questions before we end. Who was the first player to represent India at the Olympic Games? Olympic Games में इंडिया को पहली बार किसने represent किया? ये पहला question है. दूसरा question है, who won the first Paralympic medal for India? किसने पहला Paralympic award जीता है? And you can also add कौन से sport के लिए. All right. Thank you so much for watching us. See you next time.